Hey boys and girls, I thought I'd make a short video on how to check our grades. So here I am on a screen, and for the sake of the privacy of the student, I have kind of cut out the top of the screen. But at the top of your page, when you are in your history course, you should see the same thing. Hopefully you see an awesome grade, like 100% with no items overdue. All right, boys and girls, up here, if you click on this grades tab, this is going to be your best friend in all of your courses. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can kind of shift my screen over a little bit here. So if you have 100%, that would mean that you got 65 out of the possible 65 points. What have we been graded on so far? You have taken a quiz on the course responsibilities in the beginning of the year. We then did a quiz on our first couple lessons. We had 2 discussion posts. We had a Unit 1 test. We also had our TDA. And here we had a bonus exit ticket. So if you were one of the students that got the 2 points for this, that means you did a great job on the exit ticket from October 1st. If you did not get 2 bonus points, perhaps you did it, but it was evident to me that you aren't listening to the course, so you didn't get the points because you didn't get the right answer. All right, so here I have our history immigration chapter. So this is the beginning of the school year, and this is just a small recap of our grade book. So obviously this is going to be continue to be added on. Remember, these assignments do not remain open. They only stay open for 3 days past the due date. I usually try to put the date that they close on, but I cannot promise you that it's always going to be there. And as you see, it is not here for the TDA or the immigration chapters yet. I do like to put the links in here, but they're not always there. As you can see, the Unit 1 test, I was actually missing the link in the grade book. So if you were going to need to do it, you would have to go back to your class homepage. So that is a really easy way of how to check your grades. I'm going to go ahead and just show you how, if you go to your, and I will kind of perhaps crop it out this way, go to my home screen. You will see all of your grades in one big snapshot. And then when you click on the classes individually, you can click on that individual grades tab. All right, boys and girls, that is how you check your grades. If you are missing anything, you would see a 0 here. If it is still open, please complete it. Remember those quizzes, you get 1 retake, so if you would ever have a low grade, please take it before it closes. All right, boys and girls, have a great day.